Team, we're implementing new medication protocols starting Monday. While our current double-check system reduces errors, recent audits show delays in critical stat doses. The revised process maintains dual verification but shifts responsibility for urgent medications to senior nurses only.
Does this mean junior staff won't handle any stat meds now? Mahira, what about our overnight shifts when seniors aren't always available?
Good question. The key purpose here isn't to restrict juniors, but to ensure timely delivery when minutes matter. Seniors will prioritize verifying stats first, then routine meds. This actually addresses our 32-minute average delay.
But won't this overload seniors? Our afternoon shift only has 2 senior nurses for 28 patients.
The data shows 82% of stat requests occur between 7 to 9 a.m. and 6 to 8 p.m. when we're fully staffed. For other times, the charge nurse will act as verifier. This targets our peak delay periods without compromising safety.
I hear your concern about these symptoms, Mihira, and it sounds like you're dealing with significant discomfort. What you're describing, the persistent feeling of pressure and pain around your cheeks, eyes, or forehead, especially when you lean forward, is a key sign. This often happens alongside a blocked or runny nose that doesn't seem to clear, and the mucus can be thick and discolored. Many people also experience a reduced sense of smell and taste, and sometimes even a toothache or a general feeling of being unwell with a mild fever. While this feels very unpleasant, I want to reassure you that this condition, known as acute sinusitis, is very common and is most often a temporary inflammation caused by a simple virus like a cold. In the vast majority of cases, it is not serious and is self-resolving, meaning your body's own immune system will fight it off over time, often within a week or two. We can focus on managing your symptoms and making you more comfortable while your body does its natural healing work.